The way in which Mr. Khan was ousted, it was actually a milestone for Pakistani democracy, for Parliament, and for constitutionalism. The way Mr. Khan was elected was, and the way his government ran for 3 years, was a reversal in Pakistan's democratic progress, the progress we had made in media freedoms, judicial freedoms, human rights, and our steady democratic transition. Pakistan has a history of prime ministers who have been removed undemocratically, unconstitutionally, through various means. We've had a prime minister who was removed and hanged, and we believe, while we were leading the opposition against Mr. Khan's regime, we never believed in extreme politics. Mr. Khan sees the future of his politics in an authoritarian, undemocratic Pakistan, and he's doing whatever he can to adopt maximalist, extremist positions, whip up anti-American sentiment, and draw parallels to the Taliban's struggle in Afghanistan to undermine the space for this democratic transition.